We're gonna take an e-ticket ride in a 1972 Chevy SS Super Sport Convertible. This one originally started life with a 350 L48 version. We have the build sheet and everything on it. But now it has a 427 in it. Roller motor, steel crank, 700R Bowtie overdrive transmission with a shift kit.
Oh yeah, it's got a shift kit, definitely.
Oh, this thing will get sideways on you in a hurry. It's got a 12 bolt Posi-traction differential, 390 ratio, or 370 ratio, I should say.
Yeah.
But you know, BF Goodrich TA radials on it. It's an AC car.
See, you can have a lot of fun.
Custom auto sound. It's got a factory tilt wheel. Cowl hood. Pretty neat car. It's got more power than it needs, but
oh yeah.
It's all.
What do you mean?
I know. What are you talking about?
Yeah. You need power. Muscle car.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, no, that's pretty cool.
Cold, a little cold-blooded. You can smell the raw fuel coming out the tailpipe.
Yep. Yeah, just like the good old days when gas was 50 cents a gallon.
Yeah.
It's about $4 out here now.
It's painted Mercedes silver. It's got like a BMW charcoal gray stripes on there. It's got some paint issues on the hood and the trunk. We may fix it. We probably will. If not, you know, and you want to buy it before we get to that, maybe we'll deduct a little bit for the price, but it's already kind of pretty fairly priced for a real super sport convertible. It's got nice dual exhaust, Flowmasters, like 2.5-inch pipe.
Oh yeah. Goes fast.
It's a runner.
Go fast.
Yep. And with the 700R, they added the 4-speed column adjuster that you can do there, so it actually fits where the gear shift is.
It looks official.
Yep, looks official.
Yeah, look at this sunny day in California.
That's right, ragtop.
That's it. That's worth the price.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All right, here comes our picture spot. Here's a real muscle car. 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS Convertible. This one started life as a 350, as I mentioned earlier. I guess the L48 version. Not a whole lot of horsepower in those. But previous owner decided to make it a ground pounder, a real muscle car. 427 cubic inch, big block. It was one of those PAW build-a-crate motor deals. So it's got a steel crank and you know, roller rockers, roller cam. It's an animal. It runs real good. It's got a Bowtie overdrive 700R4 transmission. Those are really good if you don't know who they are. It's got power disc brakes up front with some drilled rotors. Posi-traction 12 bolt rear end. 370 ratio, which works good with the 700R because you got an overdrive transmission. You can get on the freeway still. I think I mentioned earlier it's got some paint issues. Little bad prep, I think, on the hood and the trunk. It was painted quite a while ago, but that needs to be redone. We may do it before you buy this car, or maybe knock off a little bit of money if you want to do it yourself, or you have somebody who wants to do it. Nice interior. Everything's pretty much new inside. New carpet, new vinyl, new dash, custom auto sound stereo. Got the console there with the overdrive update kit, tilt steering. We even have the build sheet that was in the behind the seat on the car when it was new, which is kind of nice to have. Shows it's a real Z15 SS package. Really good looking car though. Here's that nasty big block in the SS Chevelle Convertible. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 427. It's got aluminum Pro Comp heads, polished Enduro Shine intake, got a Holley dual feed carburetor, electronic ignition, aluminum radiator, chrome booster and master, electric fans. It's got this cool SS thing up front too, covers up kind of the unsightly stuff. Great running car. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up for you. Yep, you can hear that roller motor. Pretty cool looking. You gotta be careful, keep your foot out of it. This one likes to get sideways. Nice exhaust note. Got the right tips coming out the back. Yeah, this thing sounds good. Even got those old blue license plates from 1972. And it's a coincidence that it says 427 on it, but that's kind of cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. You know, we're at 2158 Union Place in Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. And you can speak to me or Gary. I'm Rich. And I'll be happy to show you the car and maybe take it for a test drive. All right, appreciate you watching.